Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Battle.net download speed. While downloading any game, you get extremely slow speed in the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now click on this Details tab to find a program with the name Battle.net. Once it is available, you need to right click on it and under the Set Priority, choose the option as High. Now click on the option Change Priority. Once you are done so, go ahead, launch your Battle.net and check the download speed has been increased or not. If this doesn't work, in next step, click on your Battle.net icon and here click on the option Settings. Now from the left pane, click on the option Download and you will find the option of Download Limit. Now under the download limits, check mark both the options, latest update as well as pre-release content. Now type in 1 7 times 0. Under pre-release content also 1 7 times 0. Once you have done so, hit the done button. Now you have raised the download limit and hopefully this will drastically improve the speed of downloading games right into the Battle.net. And if this also failed, the last hope you have is to use a VPN, and for a VPN I recommend to use Proton VPN or Urban VPN, as both these VPNs are totally free to use. Download them and after downloading you need to select a US server. Even Urban VPN has an extension also, which I can give you a demo of that. Here is my Urban VPN extension. When I select it, from a drop down list you can choose any of the server available right over here, and from the available servers I highly recommend to use a USA server. Select the USA server, start the download, and this will completely fix out the issue of Battle.net slow download speed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.